that's much better. Okay. If I make it through this year, you're gonna put this bottle down. I guess as time rolls on, I'll go to miss it less than I will now. Think I'm gonna tell her that I'm gonna go away for a while. Get this demon out. Yeah! Demon! Yeah! That sounds great to me. Check, check.
1, 2, check, 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 check.
Why even do my fake southern accent tonight?
Hey, everybody. 1, 2.
What a treat for the audience.
Y'all.
What's up, Jono?
Yeah.